All right. Okay, so this one's literally a quick video, guys. I'm literally looking at my camera right now and I have 6 minutes left on my SD card. So I'm gonna try to make this literally a 3 to 4 minute video. Let's go. We're talking about Instagram automation, how to automate your Instagram DMs so that every time someone follows your page, an automatic bot sends them a message and sends them a discount code to buy something from your site. Let's go. Let's do this. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to eCom Street, the best channel for e-commerce content. You're gonna be learning so much on this channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. You're about to learn something super cool that you've never learned before in e-commerce. And also subscribe to our channel because it helps us out so much as a smaller channel on YouTube. We're just trying to get it big out there. Instagram automation is a big topic in the e-commerce space. A lot of people are trying to automate their platforms and their pages, etc. Right? There's one tool that we use that actually DMs people automatically so that every time someone follows you, they get a message saying, hey, how's it going? If you've checked out our products, here's a discount code. We'd love to have you shop with us. Perfect, right? That sounds awesome. It sounds cool, and it actually worked. Just for the purpose of this video, guys, I figured that since, this app does reveal a lot of information, it does reveal a lot of people's usernames, I don't want to expose anything, so I'm just gonna throw up screenshots now and then. It's just a super quick video anyways. Basically, what we do is that we set up every time that someone follows us on our page, they get an exact message. I can throw up the screenshot right here, and it says, hey, welcome to our page. We saw that you're looking at our stuff. If you're interested in buying something from our website, feel free to do so. Here's a discount code. And that works great. And then from there, if they don't want anything, then we DM them directly and we say hey, how can we help you? Or if they have any questions. And we've actually seen this boost our sales by a ton, especially when we first started out doing this brand, just because, we relied a lot on Facebook for our traffic. I'm not gonna lie here, until we found TikTok, until we found so many other different ways of promoting. This was a huge method for us because it actually got us to directly close customers via DM. And half the time, it's actually very converting if you know how to talk to them in the right way. Now, mind you, you don't want to be very salesy in the DMs, obviously, right? Because at the end of the day, imagine a brand reaching out to you just saying buy. You don't want that, right? And it's also not very professional too. But the simplest way to go about doing things is literally just setting up your message so that every time someone follows it or every time someone interacts with your page, DMs. And there's also a couple other features too that allow you to completely automate everything. So we're talking about keyword automation, so that say someone does follow your page, it sends them that message, and then they say, okay, cool. Can you help me choose the right product for me? And then what you can do with that app is that it allows you to analyze that piece of text, and it can send them an additional message that's related to what they're saying. So say, for example, you sell clothing. Let's say they text you, I need help with sizing. So what you can do is have the app scan the keyword where it says sizing, and it'll actually send them something related to sizing. That way there, you don't even have to touch the DMs. So we're kind of figuring that out right now. We've had this feature for a long time that we've been using where it just automatically DMs people right away, but we want to have it so that's fully automated in the future, and we're actually looking into doing that right now. But for now, every time someone literally just interacts with their page, they get a message, and then our VAs, they just handle the rest of the DMs, and then you just talk to them through there, because we were doing all that stuff before, and then when we started growing the business, we just hired people to do that for us. So it does make a big impact on your business for sure. I would highly recommend using that app. It's called Ingramer. I'll leave it here in the description. It's awesome. You guys could take a look at that, but there's nothing really much else to say about it. There's also some other cool features on there that allows you to schedule your posts, or you can do bulk messages. So if you want to send a huge campaign out to people, you can send a message out to 250 people at once. But mind you, Instagram does flag that as spam, so you got to be careful of what you're sending and how many times you're sending it. And even with the auto DM feature, you got to be careful as well, because you don't want Instagram to think that you're just spamming people. In reality, you're not. You're just trying to talk to customers. But I think Instagram does give you a little bit of leeway on that as you grow as a business. If you do get more followers and you do get more engagement on your page, Instagram will allow more DMs per day. But I think when you're just starting out, I think you only have 200 direct messages a day or something like that. I don't know the exact numbers, but that is something that is very important to look out for. This one was a little bit of a quick video. I only have 1 minute left here on the camera, so I'll just keep it at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, as we are one of the best content providers for e-commerce. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the DMs or through the YouTube comments below, and we'll be more than happy to reach back to you guys. Have a good one. Take care. Stay safe. We'll see you in the next one.